Hi everyone, this is my previous pour. If you haven't already seen the video, then go ahead and have a look. So it's almost dry, and it's pretty much dried the same as it was wet. Still very, very beautiful. Well, stick around guys for the next video, please. Hi everyone, welcome back to withBade Art. Belinda here. Today I'm going to be doing this size canvas. What size is that? I think it's a 12 by 16 inch. So I'm using Decoart, and that would be mixed with 2 cups of 2 parts Floetrol and a little bit of water just to touch it up. So I have metallic purple here. I have added a little bit of Liquitex Basics purple to it just to tone it down a little bit. And I have pewter, which is a really, really, really beautiful colour. I'm just hoping that these colours are not going to overmix with each other. And then of course I have this beautiful, beautiful 24 karat gold. I think that is a lot of paint. So I think for this size canvas, we're looking at probably about 147 mils of paint. Now I know that in this big cup, the line where it's at, there's like little ridges here, and the line where it's at is about 150 mils. Right, so I'll just set that aside for now because I want to cover this canvas with white. And I do apologize for my previous pour. it was quite a bit out of shot. So I'm just going to cover this quickly and then I'll be back. This metallic gold is 24 karat gold is absolutely beautiful. And it's mixing in so nicely with the purple. So I'm not sure why this seems to be leaning, because my table is pretty straight. Ooh. There's some cells in the cup, I hope you can see that. And that, I would imagine, is just from the 24 karat gold. So I'm going to give this a good torch. It seems like there's a lot going on already in there, which I'm pretty happy about. A lot of bubbles. And this is my flamethrower. It tends to every now and then shoot massive flames out. So you've got to be really careful with it. Quite happy with that, actually. Alright, let me start tilting. Wow, there's a lot going on in here. So I'm just looking at the composition here. There's quite a lot that I don't want to lose. Just getting some coverage on the sides here. Whew, that is so beautiful. This gold is just absolutely stunning. Right, so I like all of it, and I don't really want to get rid of too much more. So I might just try and get rid of a little bit of this area here. Tricky. So if you've watched my previous video, you will also see that I had these beautiful veins, which seems to have, they've appeared again. Yeah, I don't really want to pour any more off. I think I'm going to just leave it like that. There's not a hell of a lot of paint left on there anyway, so I can get away with keeping what's there. So I'm going to give this one more torch, and then I'll bring you guys down to have a look. This is one of those butane torches with a butane can, and I think that's why it just flames up. So this has been drying for a little bit, or sitting for a little bit. It has spread out quite a bit, and I'm not too sure if I like these spread out cells down here in this area. Comment below, what do you think? I do like this at the top here. I think that's gorgeous. Maybe next time with the next pour I might use a little less gold. I think maybe not too sure actually. I do love these stones, or whatever that is. Looks like stones or rocks. I think the rest of it is just absolutely beautiful. And there's those veins again. I'm not sure why I'm getting the veins, but I like it. Yeah, I think I love most of it. And there's some more veins over there. Kind of looks like a bit of a waterfall or something going on there. I do like this brightness going down the center. Just not sure about that area in particular. But yep, it's overall I think it looks quite nice. Yeah, there definitely looks like a bit of a waterfall going on at the top there, with that white. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so you'll get notified of more videos. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, bye.